There is a part of you that does not want to walk the spiritual path. There's a part of you that wants to find juice in people, in situations, in things, in money, and says, this is all, only for Sunday, 1 hour, that is okay. The rest of the time you give to me. I want to enjoy the juice of this world. Do you recognize that part in you? Yes? That part in you brings up these complexities. Makes it more complicated for you only to understand. Every time something very complex comes up in your mind, recognize it's unnecessary complicating it. It is so simple, the sense of I am. Moment to moment to moment, I recognize it. It is that simple. Yeah, it's only the ego trying to manipulate me because it does not want to do this. Yeah? You have to find your own inner demon and you have to shut it off. Nobody else can help you. Yeah, it is very simple. The entire path is as simple as it can be. Kirti's daughter is 8 years old. Kirti spoke to her for less than 5 minutes. We have a recording. She spoke to her less than 5 minutes. She gave her some candy or something and she said, now who's seeing the candy? Now the other thoughts. She said, yes, there are thoughts about the candy. And then she said, can you see some 2 eyes beyond the candy? And she's like, yes. She immediately got it. The sense of I am, she calls it the thingy because it's too big for an 8-year-old to say sense of I am, too much. Yeah, she calls it the thingy. And she says, oh, the thingy does not allow me to do bad things to my brother. The thingy says not to be mean. So I'm not going to shout at him, mommy. So she got it like that. It is so simple. If an 8-year-old can get the witness, why can't you? You can. It's only your ego that doesn't want to get it and complicates it and wants to manipulate you. Now it's your job to recognize this. Meena's just asking the question, but it applies to each one of us. Yes? So recognize this truth. Yes, my ego does that. It complicates very simple things.